storage yard again. So much stuff all needs to get on that van. Fingers crossed it's a better day tomorrow. Hello and welcome back, and we're in the van.
We are indeed.
We are, and we're expecting a special delivery.
We are.
But whether it gets here or not, I don't know, because we had snow in Southport and we don't often get snow in Southport.
No, it's thawed out now though. The sun's come out and it's, yeah.
But where this special delivery is coming from, I believe Snake Pass across the top is shut, and the M62 has had harsh weather as well. There's lots of, we've just been on the phone, so there's lots of people not being able to get to work and stranded, and yeah, it could be here, it could not be. We're just waiting for a phone call back, so.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed on that one. It's a bit chilly today, but it's quite warm in Wolfie. So, well, I'm quite warm. You're dressed up like the abominable snowman.
Freezing.
Shell feels the cold differently to me.
I do.
Yeah, so we've got jobs to do. If you've just seen, we got some ply, we got some insulation. We're going to fix this bar in, trim these edges back, and start insulating in, and then we can first fix wiring. So that's what we're going to do, isn't it, for a couple of hours?
Yep, that's the plan anyway.
That's the plan. So hopefully we'll be able to motor along and get some stuff sorted out, because we need to get moving now.
We do. Yeah, it needs to be done, finished. I'm getting impatient now. So
as soon as we've got our special delivery, we'll have a look at that. But for now, we're going to crack on.
Yes. Brush is gone.
Don't need the brush.
I know, but I'm
I know. Come on.
Just some basil.
That's it.
Where's the bloody basil? No, that's
Get your soul. Hunting alone. Traveling from the deep forest into the sun. In war, there's never an option to run.
By the microphone. Saturday morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're off again. We got what we could done yesterday, didn't we, before we had to stop?
Yeah. Time is never on our
easy.
side.
We've got an hour now, so we're going to try and do a bit. Shell's going to do the painting. I'm going to do the start on some of the insulation.
Maximus is at Saturday Club. So we've got an hour.
An hour, yeah. Saturday Club. Right, let's crack on.
Okay.
Freya doggy, she's just a Freya doggy. Right, where should I start? I'll start here, eh? .5, 35.
Really needs like a skim coat. Oh, I've got paint on the
59.
headline thing.
Oh dear.
That.
Oh yeah, you won't see that bit.
Okay, that's fine now.
Shell's doing some dodo mat. Next door's chopping up some wood. We've got some insulation now in the back. Shell's dodo matting in here. And then we're going to put some wool in the tops there. And Maximus is back. Are you saying hi? No, he's not saying hi. I've been pushing some insulation down here at the front. I'm going to put a bit of dodo mat on there as well because it'll just stop some of the noise. I think there is a bit on the one side as well, but a bit more won't hurt. So all of these need dodo matting in along here. No, it'll be right that bit, I would have thought. Just on the exterior panel. We're now going over this one, so we're going to spray it black again and seal it up, aren't we?
What
We're going over this window.
are we?
Yeah. It's going to be here. It's going to be here and then down, but we need some storage here, don't we? Some kind of wardrobe. So that's going there, yeah. And so we need to spray that black as well. So Shell's still filling a hole in, and I've done this side now. I've just packed little bits in around. So we're coming on.
Yeah.
Are you doing your job? Well, I think that's about it for this week. Rain stopped play earlier, and we had to pack up quick and go and view a house, didn't we?
We did. We weren't putting off in that one though. Too much work. It was leaning.
It was leaning, yeah. You walked in the living room and you felt like you were falling into the fireplace.
Yeah.
It wasn't quite that bad, but like I say, I think because I'm tall, I feel the lean even more. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, we got quite a lot done, really, didn't we, over the day?
We went and picked up some more installation, didn't we, from B&Q?
Some more fluffy stuff, you called it, didn't you? Hey?
Fluffy stuff.
Why are we getting more fluffy stuff, Dad? He's not talking now. Maximus did his jobs and hoovered up, didn't you?
Because I'm a bit shy.
Okay, you be a bit shy. Everyone knows you're a bit shy. They've all seen you before. They know you're not a bit shy. You quite happily talk.
Yeah, you made a good job of the hoovering, didn't you?
He did. So thanks very much for watching. We're back on it. We're back building. We've got a shed load of parts. Our special delivery
that we were expecting yesterday
didn't turn up.
No.
Unfortunately, the
Monday.
snake pass was closed, and we didn't, unbeknownst to us, the M62 was having major issues as well with all the snow. So it's now Monday, and we've got another special delivery on Monday as well. And our front room is absolutely full of bits, isn't it? So
It certainly is. And it's the big man's birthday on Monday.
oh yeah, it's my birthday. Another year older. Crikey.
Not another year wiser.
Well, I don't know about that. Another year tireder, I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, do all them things. Ring the bell if you want the notifications. Have a look at our socials as well. We've started putting stuff on social media again, have we? Shell takes care of the social media. We will start getting back into everything now the van's going. But yeah, please like and subscribe and follow along. We've got lots going on, and he's giggling away at me. He thinks it's highly amusing when anything goes wrong with me. I'm not saying rah, rah, rah. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. Have a blessing.
Bye, everybody. Rah, rah, rah. See you next time. Thanks, guys.